Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Adcom AD-5766 gaming mouse. This is a gaming inspired mouse. As you can see, it comes with a white and gold color combination. I'm assuming that this is the one we will find inside the box. This comes with a hyper fast cool rubber scroll, ergonomic design, and button life over 5 million times. So this particular mouse has 5 million clicks in it. It also comes with RGB LED lighting as well. It also has 3 DPI settings, that's 1200, 2400 and 3600. What other information we have? More or less the same information, 60 gaming mouse, which means it comes with 6 buttons. And this is tried and tested for esports. So I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. Okay, before that there's some information over here as well. This comes with breathing LED lights, human body engineering, as I mentioned earlier, 3 DPI settings, stable performance and physical reinforcement steel. So this is the mouse, and there are some stickers over here and a thank you note from Adcom. I'm going to put this aside. This is the mouse in question. As I mentioned earlier, this comes with a white and gold color scheme. As I mentioned earlier, this is made out of ABS plastic and it has 6 buttons. So 1, 2, 3. This is the mouse scroller, also known as a button. 4, there's the DPI button, and on the side you have the page forward, page backward button. So that's a total of 6 buttons. This is the optical lens over here, and this is the braided cable that it comes with. This is nearly 1.5 meter long braided cable. Let me quickly take a look. Easily 1.5 meter, more than a meter long braided cable with a USB-A port on the other side. I'll plug it in and show you the breathing lights. I'm plugging it to my laptop over here. And there you go, it's breathing LED lights right now. It's currently green, but it will soon change to blue. There you go, it changed to blue right now. And not just that, it works perfectly. I can't show you the laptop display, but it works absolutely fine. And that says this is what you find inside the box containing the Adcom AD-5766 gaming mouse. Thank you for watching.